That one's working good. The best thing about my job is I get to have any toy at my disposal.
It's really great when I go into a toy store and I see my product on shelf, especially for the first time. My name is Heather Croston, and I'm a senior designer.
My name is Michael Klitsch, and I'm a senior designer at K'NEX Industries.
He's pretty cool because he's got the very animated expression, and you can make him fly like this.
You can see we used a chain to actually lift the car up. You can see the orange car and green car coming around and heading on up. And then they exit out of the top here, and they almost just, it seems like they're chasing each other to the bottom of the hill.
My name is Joel Glickman. We're at the headquarters of K'NEX, the toy company, in Hatfield, Pennsylvania. I'm the founder and the CEO. It started out, I was fooling around with drinking straws, and it occurred to me that if I put a connector together with the right length of straw, it might be the basis of a construction toy.
This model is a Ferris coaster. It's a Ferris wheel that has roller coaster cars on the outside that race around real fast.
We begin with brainstorm sessions. A bunch of designers will get together.
To come up with what could be the cool new thing.
Talking about toys that are in the market. We'll go to toy stores.
And they tell us what their hot trends are.
We'll talk about new technology and anything that's current, and then try to come up with new ideas for K'NEX.
My job is to create different models. It starts with a concept sketch, which is basically me thinking of an idea, and I draw it out.
Mike and I have a very different viewpoint on things, which is very good because it's good to bounce ideas off of each other.
How many parts are going to be in the set?
Around 75 parts.
From there, we move to a prototype.
Prototypes don't have to be perfect. This is a very quickly mocked up model using hot glue and cardboard. It's really just a tool to try to get the idea across so that we can know if we want to make that toy.
We see if the model's better looking in red, green, blue.
We'll go back and forth with each other to show each other different colors or different concepts.
And then after that stage, we go right to packaging and the final model.
This is a finished product, all in nice pink and purple. So this was the result of that design process.
We have to determine how many pieces and parts go into that model. This model here is built from this bag of parts.
This Ferris wheel, well, it uses 8 blue connectors, 2 eyes, 14 of these orange connectors, 1 of the green connector, and 4 green rods.
Our roller coasters are our big items. They run 1,000 pieces up to 1,400 pieces. Literally will take up the child's whole bedroom.
This is Rovin' Rollers. There are 51 parts in the set. We have 4 wheels, 10 blue rods, 3 yellow connectors.
One of the neat things about this model, the left side of the model is the same as the right side of the model. How we build it with these different connectors and bricks, it's the same as on the right.
2 blue connectors, 5 orange connectors.
You can see patterns that repeat. You have the red piece, the gray piece, the orange piece, the gray piece, the red piece.
2 scoops, 1 double eye, and 2 smaller wheels.
Essentially, I built everything over the past 12 years that you could think of.
Ideas come to me all the time. Whether I'm at work or I'm at home, it doesn't really matter.
If you imagine it, you can build it.